children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today we will know about the lesson Save the Environment. Save the environment. What is environment, children? First we know what are living things and what are non-living things. Living things means which things have life in them are called living things. Those are people, animals, flowers, all the creatures on the earth are called living things. And what are non-living things? Which things don't have life in them are called non-living things, like blackboard, table, chairs, like the things means, that means some are the don't have lives or things. Next, to live healthy life, we must keep our environment clean. To live healthy life, we must keep our environment clean. Here, everything around us in nature forms our environment. Everything around us in nature forms our environment. So, in this way, some things are not decayed properly on the earth. They form pollutions. Let us know different types of pollutions are here. There are 4 types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. What are they? Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. First one, air pollution. How to air polluted? Smoke from factories, burning of garbage, plastic, bursting firecrackers. Smoke from factories, burning of garbage and plastic, bursting firecrackers. In this way, the air polluted. How to avoid air pollution? Grow more trees, walk or cycle short distance and avoid bursting firecrackers. Grow more trees, walk or cycle short distance, avoid bursting crackers. In this way, we avoid air pollution. Next one, water pollution. How to water polluted? Dumping of waste from houses and factories into water bodies, animals bathing in ponds, lakes and rivers, people bathing, washing clothes and utensils. In this way, water is polluted. And how to avoid water pollution? We have to avoid dumping of waste from houses and factories, and avoid animals bathing in ponds, lakes and rivers, and avoid people bathing and washing clothes and utensils. In this way, we avoid the water pollution. Next, third one is land pollution. How to land polluted? Throwing of garbage in the open, dumping of waste by factories, using chemical fertilizers in the field. How to land polluted? Throwing of garbage in the open, dumping of waste by factories, using chemical fertilizers in the field. Next, how to avoid this land pollution? To avoid land pollution, plant more trees, throw waste in dustbins, use natural manure to improve the soil. Once again, plant more trees, throw waste in dustbins, use natural manure to improve the soil. In this way, we avoid the land pollution. And last one, noise pollution. Noise pollution, how forms noise? Here, honking of vehicles, bursting of firecrackers, use of loudspeakers. In this way, the noise pollution is forms honking of vehicles, bursting of firecrackers, use of loudspeakers. How to avoid noise pollution? Avoid unnecessary honking, plant trees as they absorb sounds, listen to music in a low volume. Once again, avoid unnecessary honking, plant trees as they absorb sounds, listen to music in a low volume. So children, these are the types of pollutions and how to we avoid these pollutions. We will continue our lesson in our textbook. Here, our social textbook in 3rd class. Open the page number 3. Open the page number. Save the environment. This is our lesson. Here the nature, a pleasant nature. Turn the page. And here how the air is polluted. Here smoke from factories. In this way the air polluted. And next one, here water pollution, washing the clothes in the ponds and rivers. In this way the water is polluted. And land pollution, here wastage, throw wastage on the land in this picture. And here write the true or false. First one, this book is a living thing. Yes or no, true or false? Book is a living thing. This is false. Right here, false. And second one, plants need air to live. Plants need air to live. Yes, it is correct. You have to write true. We must use a handkerchief while coughing. Yes, we must use the handkerchief while coughing is true. We can generate electricity from air. We can generate electricity from air. That is also wind energy also here. Now onwards we form wind energy also. You have to give true. And we must drink only boiled or filtered water. Yes, this is also true. Next on the page. Here noise pollution. Here loudspeakers. In this way the noise pollution forms. Here the environment pledge. Children observe carefully my environment pledge. Here I will plant more trees. I will not burst firecrackers. I will use only cloth or paper bags. I will save water. I will not waste paper. In this way you have to take pledge to save our environment. So children, we take our responsibility to save our nature and our environment. So today's class for today, we will meet on next class.